Open the Binance app and head straight to wallets at the bottom of the screen. You'll notice an overview of all the different wallet sections: spot, funding, earn, and more. For this tutorial, our goal is to move crypto earnings from the Earn wallet to the Spot wallet, which is where you can trade, sell, or transfer your assets more freely. Now tap on the Earn section. Inside Earn, you'll see different products depending on what you invested in. If you tap on the lower part of any active investment, the panel will expand and show more detailed information. This includes your total amount, real-time APY, and any rewards that have accumulated. You can also scroll through different earn programs like Simple Earn, Staking, or Auto Invest depending on your region. This helps you know exactly where your funds are stored before redeeming anything. Next, find the specific crypto you want to redeem and tap Redeem. At this point, the app will let you select or manually enter the amount you want to redeem. If you simply want everything, choose the max option. After selecting the amount, Binance will ask you where you want the redeemed funds to be transferred, either the funding wallet or Spot wallet. Make sure you double check the token and amount before confirming, because some Earn products may have a cooldown period. If there's any lockup period, Binance will clearly notify you on this screen. Since we want to move the funds directly into the Spot wallet, go ahead and choose Spot wallet. Once you confirm the action, Binance will process the redemption. Depending on the Earn product, the transfer may be instant or take a short processing time. You might also receive a push notification once your assets are successfully moved. After the confirmation, your earnings from the Earn wallet will be successfully moved into your Spot wallet. View the updated balance by returning to the main wallets page and tapping Spot. From here, you can trade, convert, or withdraw your assets instantly. If you're planning to make a trade right away, this is the wallet where everything becomes active and fully usable. Happy transferring.